Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we will see how to split screen on Mac. So first of all, open the web browser and any other window or application that you want to use in split screen mode. Once both windows are open, move to the top left corner of any window and hover your mouse over the green icon. As soon as you hover over it, a new panel will appear on your screen. Here you will see different options like move and resize, fill, and arrange. If the window is already in full screen mode, you will also see split screen options available here. Now, if you want to place both windows side by side, simply select one of the options from the Fill and Arrange section. As you can see, both windows are now displayed side by side on the screen. You can also adjust the window sizes according to your preference. But if you specifically want to use split screen mode, select one of the split screen options from this menu. Now, both sides of the screen will be divided into two sections. You can drag the center divider left or right to adjust how much space each window uses. This allows you to use both applications at the same time on your MacBook screen, and that's it. This is how you can split screen on Mac. I hope this video is helpful for you. For more such videos, subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching.